Hi, it's Chris German from the Apartment Dealer, and I just listed a 3-property portfolio here in the cities of Huntington Park and Southgate. We have 2 properties here in Huntington Park, with the third one being in Southgate, which we're going to focus on, which is the 4-unit property. Based upon the current rents that are being collected, because the property is completely occupied, puts the property at a 6% cap rate. That is unheard of when it comes to 4-unit properties, a 6% cap rate. This property is priced to sell. Now the unit mix. The property is comprised of a front structure, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story cottage, has a attached 2-car garage. To the rear of the property is a single-story triplex, which consists of 1-bedroom, 1-bath units and a studio apartment. The tenants pay for their own electricity and gas, owner pays water and trash. And total square footage here, we're looking at over 2,800 rentable square feet on over an 8,300 square foot lot. In terms of location, the city of Southgate, we're here in a prime location in the 710 corridor. High demand, low vacancy, which means rental rates only continue to increase. It is a great proposition for a landlord. So if you think this property is for you, you've been in the market for say a 4-plex in the local community, reach out, send me a message, give me a call, and who knows, maybe this one will be the next one you're closing escrow on.